have found our...
No! You're stupid!
But at least my system crashed. I lost my override codes.
Please let me think. I'm stupid inventor here.
You are.
You're stupid!
We need to stop Knuckles and get Fingers out of our lives, but don't come crying to me when Knuckles lands in the ocean!
Kill Sticks.
And I can't.
Kill Sticks.
Justin Beaver!
You're the only fan I care about.
What has government ever done for us?
Maintain death. Can't say that's a bad idea.
There's also the suicide.
Yeah.
And have you tried those new killing sidewalks? Pretty sweet.
You can make all the flotation device you want.
Music industry professionals only.
We are music industry professionals.
Now, I've designed a food delivery system that bypasses the mouth and inserts the food directly into Amy's sauce.
Every teacher I ever had said that.
Okay, Amy, you've totally lost sight of why you're doing this.
I'm doing this to kill Dave the intern and his Lamoy Day sauce. Now get your smiling happy butts in Amy's sauce.
I guess he isn't here. No matter, I'll heroically repair this bike with only my bare hands and a welding laser. Me, I'm open! Me, I'm open! Me, I'm open! Shut your pie hole! Hey, your boyfriend looks weird.
It's not stupid.
Breaking news! An epidemic is spreading across the globe. Breaking Beaver! Justin Beaver is actual. Let us.
Isn't Justin great?
Breaking news! I'm talking about an actual disease, of course. Justin Beaver. Justin Beaver is breaking the globe. I'm not talking about an beaver. I'm talking about an actual disease, of course. Justin Beaver.
Oh, Sonic here.
Sonic, did you return the killing? Sonic, but...
Actually, a chili dog sounds delicious.
Prepare to get fries with that.
Dr. Eggman!
My system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus.
You're right. This Beaver fever thing is clearly just Beaver.
Sticks! Sticks! You are not gonna believe it! Justin Beaver is killed. Sticks! Sticks! You are not gonna believe it! Justin Beaver killed.
He's shot, kids!
Sticks! Sticks! You are not gonna believe it! Justin Beaver and Shay Amy! Right now!
You really need to stop doing that.
They're fun to throw!
Justin Beaver is actual. Or maybe incompetent box.